Let us continue the second question. A girl looks the reflection of the top of the lamppost on the mirror, which is 6.6 meter away from the foot of the lamppost. The girl, whose height is 1.25 meter, is standing 2.5 meter away from the mirror. Assuming the mirror is placed on the ground facing the sky and the mirror and the lamppost are in the same line, find the height of the lamppost. When you draw the diagram from the back, you can see this. Assuming the mirror is placed on the ground facing the sky, like this way. Okay, facing the sky, but it is on the ground. Then the girl, mirror and lamppost are in the same line. That means all are in the girl, mirror and lamppost are from the ground only. Girl is not standing any other where, only she is also in the ground. Okay, so we can draw the diagram first. First of all, the all three are from the same line. So we can draw the line first. So this is the line, that is the ground line. Okay, ground line. This is the place of the girl. She is standing and her height is given as 1.25 meter. Okay, from her the mirror is placed on the ground. The distance between the girl and the mirror is 2.5 meter. This much is 2.5 meter. This is the place of the mirror. Okay, then here it is the lamp post. Anyway, it is height. It is very big height than the girl or the mirror. Mirror is just placed on the ground only. This girl height is 1.2 meter. So this is the lamp post. We can consider the height of the lamp post is height that we need to find out. Okay, now from the first we can read it again. A girl looks the reflection of the top of the lamp post on the mirror. This is the face of the girl. Okay, so from the top of this line, she is looking on the mirror. So the angle of elevation, now angle of depression is coming like this. Okay, angular depression. She is looking the reflection of the lamp post. Understood? Which is 6.6 meter away from the foot of the lamp post. So this reflections the girl is looking, it is from the foot of the lamp post 6.6 meter away. So this distance is 6.6 meter. Are you all clear? The girl whose height is 1.25 meter standing 2.5 meter away from the mirror. Assuming the mirror is okay, the remaining all completed. Find the height of the lamp post. It is our question. Okay. For doing the sum, we can join this mirror with the top of the lamp post. Okay. So we can give the name for doing the sum. A, B is the height of the girl, that is 1.2 meter. Mirror is M. Okay. Then LP is the lamp post. Are you all clear? Now this is the angle of reflection. This is the angle of incidence. Also this angle B is 90 degree and angle P is 90 degree. Since why it is, this BMP is a ground level. The girl is standing straight. So whenever we think of the height, it is the perpendicular distance. So the girl perpendicular to the ground. So we can consider this is 90 degree. Like the same lamp post height we need to find out means it is also the perpendicular distance. So this LP is perpendicular to BP. So this also 90 degree. Okay. So these two angles are 90 degree. So we can write this from the diagram. Distance between mirror and post. Okay. Distance between mirror and post, it is MP, that is 6.6 meter. comma MP, that is equal to 6.6 meter. Next, height of the girl is AB, it is 1.25 meter. Then we need to write the distance 2.5 meter, it is BM distance, that is the distance between the girl and mirror. Okay, and distance between girl and mirror it is BM, that is equal to 2.5 meter. Okay, next we need to find the height of the lamppost. It is our question. For finding this value, you have to prove first of all these two triangles are similar. Okay, since this in the small triangle we know two sides, except the hypotenuse, the remaining two sides we know. In this big triangle we know only one side. Okay, this adjacent side we don't know. We need to find out that. So if we are finding the ratios, if the triangles are similar, we can say the ratios are equal for the corresponding side. So we can find out the h value. Okay, so we need to prove these two triangles are similar. For proving the similarity, first itself I said the angle of incidence and angle of reflection, these two are equal. Then this angle B and angle P, that is also 90 degrees. So by AA criteria we can say these two triangles are similar. Okay, so we can say the similarity of the triangle, then we can consider the ratios of the corresponding sides are equal. From that we can find out the h value. So we can write to find the height of the lamppost, h. Okay, let LP equal to h. This line we can write it first itself. Let LP equal to h. Then only we can write the height of the lamppost is h. Now we can consider both triangles. Consider triangle ABM and triangle LPM. Okay, small triangle and big triangle. Now in that two, angle B is equal to angle P, that is equal to 90 degree. Okay, it is the reason is girl and lamppost, it is post perpendicular to the ground. Okay, second one, and angle AMB is equal to angle LMP. The reason angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Okay, so by these two reasons the angles are equal. So we can say therefore by A criteria of similarity, triangle ABM is similar to triangle LPM. Okay, therefore the corresponding sides are proportional. Okay, corresponding sides are proportional. That means the corresponding sides ratios are equal. So AB divided by LP is equal to BM divided by MP. Okay, the corresponding side ratios are equal. So what are the values for AB? AB value is 1.25, LP value, that is H. These two are the height of the girl and lamp post. Then we can take the other adjacent side on the ground, that is BM. It is 2.5 meter divided by MP value is 6.6 meter. Here no need to write the unit. Okay, now we can cross multiply. Anyway, you have to take the height. Also you take the 2.5 to the denominator, since only the height you take on the one side. Thus 6.6 you take to the other side. No need to take the 1.5 to this side. Okay, here only one arrow, here double arrow, which implies height you take to one side, this 2.5 take with the 1.5. So it will come to the denominator of 1.5. So 1.25 into 6.6 divided by this 2.5 is the denominator. Okay, now we can reduce it. If you can reduce using the decimal number, you reduce it. Otherwise, you multiply according to the decimal point. Here 3 digits are there in the decimal part. Here only 1 digit. So you can multiply. For changing the denominator, you can multiply and divide by 10. For changing the decimal part in the numerator, you can multiply and divide by 1000. That way you can do, or you cancel it. Okay, I am doing the cancellation using the 5 table. 5 5s are 25, it is 0.5. Okay, it is 0.5. Here 2 5 0.12. In 12 how many 2s are there? 2 5s are 10, 5 5s are 25. So 0.25. Again we can cancel using 5 table. It is 0.1. This is 0.05. Again we cannot cancel, so you will get 0.05 into 6.6 divided by 0.1. Okay, this we can multiply and divide using 0.1. 0.1 means 1 by 10. So this 10 you have to multiply in the numerator. Okay, 5 into 66 is 330. When you put the decimal point 3 digits to the left, you will get as 0.3. Here this is 0.330 divided by 1 by 10. So this 10 you multiply in the numerator. So this decimal point will move to the right. You will get the answer is 3.3. Okay, 3.3. The unit is meter. The same calculation we can do without a decimal point first itself. So first itself we have to change the decimal points. We can see this numerator 3 digit in the decimal part. Okay, we have to change the decimal part. Decimal part means multiply and divide by 1000. This multiply this calculation for numerator. Then in the denominator we have 1 digit in the decimal part. So multiply and divide by 10. Okay, for multiplying 1000, this decimal point will move. So you will get the numerator as 125 into 66. Okay, then multiplying this 10 with this 2.5, you will get the denominator is 25. Okay, so except this and this 10, remaining numbers you can cancel. So the cancel the zeros, and the denominator you are getting as 100. Only these numbers you have, you can cancel and find out the value. You will get as 3.3 meter. Okay, when you are cancelling, you will get the same procedure only. Cancellation same procedure, but the decimal point you will confuse. For that only I explained this also. Those who can do this calculation without confusion, you do this way. Okay, here you will get as 33 by 10. Then you will get this 3.3. Okay. This which is easy for you, do it. So you will get the height value as 3.3 meter. That is the answer. Height of the lamp post is 3.3 meter. Are you all clear?